Good day, sir. My name is Logaintheran. My metric number is 250632. I am one of your practical students. Today I want to present about my internship project. Before that, I would like to brief about my company background. Let me see that slide. Hummingsoft Sdn Bhd, that's my company name. Actually, it's a software house. It's a multinational company that primarily focuses on software development, analytics, project management, software testing, including database management also. And it's located at Damansara, Bukit Damansara, Kuala Lumpur. So let's start with our presentation. My project name is my BRNCC Online Banking Web Application. Actually, it's full form of My Bank Risk and China Collaboration Online Banking Web Application. Today we will see 5 main points in my project. That is online banking fund transfer, view transaction history, check balance, update account, and block login for 24 hours after 3 wrong attempts. So each of the points I will explain briefly when I running the system. Let's rerun the system. Okay, this is my login page. So from here we need to enter our system. So before that, I would like to tell that my position at my office was, my software house was as a backend developer. So as a backend developer, we are not focusing that much on interface. So we mainly focus on engine of the system. So I also did a simple interface. I will show it after I log into the system. So enter my IC number or username, so password, and login. So this is my very simple home page. So it will show the weather of the day, weather of the week, and location and Celsius. So at the upside they got a menu bar. So from menu bar we can go for account setting, transaction history, balance, and transfer. So I will explain each of the thing. So first of all we go for account setting. So let's update my account. So let's update. So this is my SQL server, SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have the database. Here I store the data. So this is my user table. So let's see the updated details. If I execute, it will change to new details. Can you see that? Can we see that there is the details updated? Okay, we go for transaction history. So this is the transaction history. So we can see how much of amount we transfer, from which account to which account, and when. We can see the time, date, and we got a transaction ID. So the balance tab is for we can see our balance in account. For example, current account we have 1050 and saving account we have 300. So that is our balance in our account. So let's go for transfer. This is a big part of the system where we can transfer the money. Where we can transfer the money is from saving to current to saving. So let me try one example. So first I have to put my IC number and select which type of account I need to select, from current to saving or saving to current. So how much amount we want to transfer. So we have to put the current the correct value. If not, if the currency is low or big, it will show the insufficient balance message. So let's request for tag. Okay, let's go for Gmail and refresh the Gmail. We will receive our new mail from bank. So that is our tag number, and we can see that minutes ago. So it's 0 minutes ago. That means we received it just now. It's a new tag. We have to put this tag number into that text box. Then only we can transfer our money. It's like a confirmation. So let's do that. So we take this tag number and we put here. Click and transaction is successful. So let's see at database. Okay, let's see in our transaction history table. So let's execute the table again for our new history. So we can see that there is a new history 49 on 7/04/2020. So that is our transaction just now we did. So let's check our balance at our page, our online banking page. So just go for that and go for balance, and we can see before this we have 1050 and we transfer 100, so we have 950 in our current, and at saving before that we have 300, and now we are 400. So at here you add the it's minus. That's the formula we used. It's actually a banking formula. Okay, let's go for transaction. Okay, now I want to explain about login. So before I explain the login, I want to clarify something. In this login page will be a different, because this login page and this home page will be different. This was I designed for my system, and I left it my office PC. So when I get it from my email, so it's a bit the code is not, when I combine the code, it's getting error, so I separate it and run it. So if I'm back to office, I am able to combine and run it. So that's why I separate and run it for presentation, for this presentation. So because of lockdown, I have some problem of this. So let's I run and explain the login. Three time attempts, wrong attempts will be blocked. That function will be explained in this screen. Okay. So I run it to the Pyro server. So okay. So let's log in using a wrong ID. Okay. But the ID for the password is different, but I am putting the wrong one. So we can see that the method is called, but it's not working. The authenticated login method is called, but it's not working. It's print outing the both username and password. So we can see here. So this is the third time. So 1, 2, 3 it's called. That means 3 times we attempt attempt to log in. So the first time it will be blocked. Okay, so I see the particular IC number is blocked, particular IC number or username is blocked. So you are still blocked. If you will put the correct password, it will be still blocked. So this all will be converted into a pop-up message. Okay, let me see how it works. Means it works in a we call deflag. For example, deflag function will works as a one for blocked, or deleted. For here I replacing use true or false. We can use any kind of words or numbers, but we need to put the correct query. So this is showing the block status is true. True means it's blocked. So you can see this is the time 12:20. So just now it's blocked. Okay. Okay, so entering the right password, it will be show still blocked. I have to remove it. I have to change it. Okay, instead of working waiting for it, so I set the time to 1 minute from 24 to 1 minute. So after 1 minute we can log in it. So the customer CDI bin is called. So IC number is successfully. So it means that it's successfully logged in. So 1 minute. The comparing time is 1 minute. So we can log in. If comparing time we put to 24 minutes, we have to wait for 24 minutes. So for the presentation, I change it to 1 minute. So we just wait for 1 minute and we back to login. Okay. So that was my presentation about my online web application system. So thanks for your time, sir. Thank you very much.